coming, coming. Nose down, got it.
Good morning, everybody. Where is he? Hey, Potts.
Yo.
Say good morning.
Morning.
We are going after some big bass today. This is the, what, third year? Third or fourth year we've been coming up. Seems to be that we're starting to figure it out a little bit. We're hoping that we hit it right. We're going to try to fish smallies on beds. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Going to be fishing with mostly wacky rigs today and Ned rigs. He likes throwing a bandito bug. But basically we're just going to drop it in their beds, and hopefully we're hoping that we can catch a 5-pounder, but here's the hoping. But stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Today's going to be a lot of fun. Forecast says 0 wind, but then it's supposed to pick up to 3 miles an hour. So how can you ask for a better day? Let's get out on the water and let's do some fishing. Oh, here comes. He's taking it. Took it. Yep. Oh,
that thing came right off of that bed, huh? That's a better one.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Damn, he came right off that
dude.
bed.
I watched him. I was like, that was cool.
There it is.
Nice. Let's go.
Fucking right at the top of that string.
Got him? Nice. Decent one? Oof.
My drag's set pretty good too.
You want me to get in that? Oh, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. No way.
That's a pig. That's big.
Holy cow, dude. That's gonna be.
That's 4.
I bet he's 4.5.
Sheesh.
But he's all of 4.5.
Look at that. Piggy.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the size of that smallie.
473. Look at that.
That's incredible.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Come on. How's your drag? Oh, coming. Nose down, got it. There you go.
Oh, let's keep that tight. All right, let's net this fish before I lose him again.
Oh, we boat flipped that right.
There we go.
That's a 4.
Yeah, I think he's probably 4. Oh, actually, that's a pretty heavy fish. 3.43. Looks bigger than that, feels bigger than that. Go. Big guy's going home. Oh my. Dude, look at the size of that chub. I think they call them fall fish.
Yeah. Look at that friggin' thing.
Dude, I can't believe that. So a little update. It is 12:19 and it was a slow morning. We caught a few here and there. Wasn't anything crazy. We're gonna go check out another spot here in a little bit, a place that we know that we've caught them before. We did check it today. There was some there, they just weren't super active. We're gonna see if we can get some more in the boat. The goal is a 5-pounder and we've hit 4.73. 4.73. That's a big fish. We're still on the quest for a 5-pound smallie, so don't go anywhere. Hopefully we can find it. Got him.
How you like that fight?
Dude, that's a nice rod. Woo! Sweet.
Shorty.
Yes, sir.
Good genetics in it, yeah.
Oh, he's heavy though. You go, look at that hook set.
Go.
Bingo. Another one. He's not huge. I say he's not huge. He's not huge for here. Look, big guy. You get him? Oh yeah, let's go. Tank, needing that? He's pretty.
He's stoked.
Yeah. You want to just grab your other rod? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude, that's a good one.
Yeah, it's a lot better than I thought it was. Yeah.
You gotta weigh that one. That one's probably 4.
I'm thinking 3 in it.
Oh. Felt like you.
He's got it.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, he's got it. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a 4.
Oh, he's a lively. Ah, there we go. Oh, let's go. Look at that.
Maybe not. It's not way off.
All right, check it out. That's what we're after. This one's weighed out to about 3.5. As you can take a look at the eyeball. Eyeball is all red. What that indicates that these guys are in full spawn, and we love it. We're gonna put him back. We're gonna keep catching them. Not bad. Yep, there he is. Got him.
Yeah, he is.
Yep, I got him. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh, nice. Another one. Another good one. Check out that eyeball. Another good one. That one, we say good one. For here, these have been on the smaller side, which is crazy to think because that one's like 3 pounds. It's just insane. Got it? Nice. Oh, dude, that's a good one. That's a tank. That's a tank. Nice. Look at that thing.
Chunky.
Chunky monkey. Oh, got him. Yep. 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 He took it super subtle though. Yeah, that's a better one. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a chubby.
That's a good one. That's a 4.
All right, everybody, check it out. This one just weighed out to about 410, 412. Beautiful fish, as you can see. Again, with that red eye. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna put it back and see if we can catch another one. All right, we are done for the day. Boss, what do you think, dude?
It's a good day.
Very good day. He caught his PB, 4.73. That's a big smallmouth. I caught one that was 410, which is still a really good fish. The rest of them, it was pretty incredible. The rest were over 3.5 pounds. I don't think we caught one under 3. We may have caught 1 or 2 that may have been under 3, but for the most part, all of them were all over 3.5. And then we caught at least 2 that were over 4. We're heading out of here. We're gonna go get some Burger King because we're starving. We've been fishing all day long and it has been a grind. And we deserve a Whopper and we're gonna go get it. And thank you for joining us. And hey, Until next time.